Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make soap dough. I love soap dough because it's super versatile. You can roll it into shapes and embed them into cold processed soap. You can roll it into fun shapes like leaves, flowers, or figures to put on the top of your soap. You can paint it and dust it with mica. It really is super versatile. Let's get started. You'll need coconut oil, cocoa butter, and olive oil, along with distilled water. I like to freeze mine into ice cubes for this process, and you'll also need lye, a stick blender, solo cups, a plastic bag, and some mica or any colorant of your choice. First, you'll melt your oils. I like to just pop them in the microwave in about 30-second increments until it's all melted. Now, carefully pour the lye into the ice cubes, stirring slowly until the ice melts and the lye is fully dissolved. Once the lye solution and oils are both around 100 degrees, it's time to mix them. Pour the lye solution into the oils and use a stick blender to blend until you reach a light trace. Now, divide the soap batter into separate containers for each color that you want. I'm using orange and green today. Add your mica powder directly to the batter and blend it until the color is fully incorporated. Cover each container tightly with a plastic bag, squeezing out as much air as possible. Now, we let it sit overnight to fully saponify. After 12 to 24 hours, the soap should have a Play-Doh-like consistency. It may take a little effort, but remove it from the container and start kneading. If it's too sticky, let it dry out for a bit longer or just keep kneading. Once it's smooth and silky, it's ready to use. To store your soap dough, you want to store it in an airtight container. It should last and stay pliable for a few weeks. If you want the full recipe, you can get it at Latherbees.com.